Hello, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Remy. I'm a teacher of chemistry. Our topic today is electronic configuration of different atoms, electronic structure. Here, there are different atoms because remember, we have charged atom and we have neutral atoms. Let's start. Example 1. Let's start by atom of sodium. It is number 11 on the periodic table. This means it has 11 electrons. Remember, when you are writing electronic configuration, we have many ways. You can write by using balls, where you put dots or crosses, or you can write by using only numbers. Let's start for this sodium. Sodium as an atom. I know this is a nucleus. Remember, in a nucleus it is where you have the sum or the mass of an atom, where the protons and the neutrons are located. The first shell contains 2 electrons. Let's use first closest. The first shell contains 2. The second contains 8. 2 on this side. Then you put 2 here, 2, and on this side we have 2. And then the last shell, remember, if we take these 2 electrons and then we add 8, we get 10. To me, from this 11 remain by 1 electron. That's why I put 1 electron here. This is the structure, the atomic structure of sodium atom. Remember, this is sodium, it is a neutral atom. Let's take another example. Example 2. Let's take aluminium. Aluminium is number 13 on the periodic table. To me, it has 13 electrons. On this example 2, let us use dots. Aluminium as an atom, the first shell contains 2. Contains 2 electrons. The second contains 8. The last shell contains 3 electrons. This is really the structure of aluminium. This is a neutral atom. Let us also show the structure of charged atom, those that we call ions. For example 3. Let us take magnesium, which is positively charged. Remember, really the neutral atom of magnesium, it is number 12. To mean it has 12 electrons. But this structure shows magnesium loses 2 electrons. This means we take 12 electrons and then we subtract these 2 and then we remain with 10 electrons. That's why if I'm writing this magnesium, which is cation, remember I write the remaining electrons after this loss of 2 electrons. This magnesium, which is really positively charged, let us use the numbers in this structure. It has 2 electrons on the first shell, and then the last also there are 80 electrons. It has 10 because it loses these 2 electrons. That's why it remains with 10 electrons. This is another way you can show this structure of an atom. The last example for this session, let us take the structure of chloride ion. Remember, chloride is number 17 on the periodic table, but it gains 1 electron. This means when you take 17 and then you add 1, it becomes 18. let us show that structure of 18. This is the nucleus. The first shell contains 2. Let us use Colossus. The second shell contains 8. The third shell, which is the last, remember, at the first time, there is 7 electrons. But remember, this atom, it receives 1 electron. It receives 1 electron. And then in the outermost shell, now it has 80 electrons. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, to give a like, comment, and share. Bye bye.